Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope students you are doing good. Chapter 18 Association of Attributes is under discussion today, lecture number 2. And in this lecture, students, I will discuss some important more definitions of chapter 18 Association of Attributes. Now, students, kindly subscribe to my channel and give your feedback. Let's start the topic of important definitions. The contents of today's lectures are: first one is the contingency table, second one coefficient of association, third chi-square, fourth one is the rank correlation, fifth one Spearman rank correlation coefficient, and the last one is the properties of Spearman rank correlation coefficients. These are the terms or definitions I will discuss in this lecture. First of all, I will discuss the contingency table. The contingency table, a table consisting of R rows and C columns in which data are classified according to two attributes A and B, are called an R by C contingency table. The simplest form of a contingency table is the 2 by 2 read as 2 by 2 contingency table. It means that here we have two attributes and each attribute have two categories called A alpha and B beta. और इसको हम लोग राइट करेंगे 2 by 2 कॉन्टिजेंसी टेबल में एज ए अल्फा बी बीटा, और इसकी ऑब्जर्व फ्रीक्वेंसीज को हम लोग जो है राइट करेंगे इनके मिडल बॉक्सेस के अंदर ए बी ब्रैकेट ए बीटा और सेकेंड रो के अंदर अल्फा बी एंड अल्फा बीटा. Our contingency table is a way to organize and summarize data to show the relationship between two or more categorical variables. तो हमारे पास यहाँ पे क्वालिटेटिव टाइप का डेटा गिवन होगा और उसको हम लोग जो है वो अरेंज करेंगे आर बाय सी कॉन्टिजेंसी टेबल के अंदर, और उसमें आपके पास समटाइम्स जो है वो गिवन हो सकता है 2 by 2 contingency table in which two attributes and have each attribute have two categories. तो इसको हम लोग राइट करेंगे रो वाइज एंड कॉलम वाइज, आर रोज एंड कॉलम रोज के अंदर. दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ contingency table. Now secondly, I will discuss the coefficient of association. Coefficient of association, a numerical measure that indicates the degree and directions of association between two attributes, showing whether they are positively related, negatively related, or independent. The coefficient of association is denoted by Q and it measures between two attributes A and B is defined as formula Q, and this formula is for 2 by 2 contingency table between two rows and two columns. It means that two attributes each have two categories, और इसमें हम लोग इसको फॉर्मूले को राइट करेंगे as using observed frequencies A B bracket alpha beta bracket minus sign A beta bracket अल्फा बी ब्रैकेट, और इसी एक्सप्रेशंस को स्टूडेंट्स हम लोग राइट करेंगे डिनोमिनेटर में विद प्लस साइन, एंड द रेंज ऑफ Q इज -1 to 1. इफ Q इक्वल टू +1, अगर आपकी Q की वैल्यू जो है एग्जैक्ट +1 जो है इसको आप फाइंड करते हैं तो आपके पास इट मीन्स दैट परफेक्ट पॉजिटिव एसोसिएशन बिटवीन टू एट्रीब्यूट्स. और अगर Q की वैल्यू जो है वो नेगेटिव जनरेट होती है तो इट मीन्स दैट कि आपके पास दोनों एट्रीब्यूट्स के दरमियान में परफेक्ट नेगेटिव एसोसिएशन होगी. और इफ Q इक्वल टू 0 इट मीन्स दैट देयर इज नो एसोसिएशन, so with दोनों both attributes are independent. That is the definition of coefficient of association. तो association को measure करने के लिए आपने Q को use करना है if we have 2 by 2 contingency table. So this is the specific formula for coefficient of association. Now the third topic is the chi-square. The chi-square, a statistical test used to measure the difference between observed and expected frequencies in a contingency table in order to determine whether there is a significant association between attributes or whether the difference is due to chance. The chi-square is defined as formula sum of difference between observed and expected frequencies का स्केयर स्टूडेंट्स राइट करेंगे हम लोग न्यूमरेटर में, और इसको डिवाइड करेंगे एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रीक्वेंसीज से, और देन टेकिंग इट्स सम. दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ chi square कैलकुलेटेड, वेयर F naught is denoted by observed frequencies जो कि आपको given होंगी in contingency table R by C contingency table में, और then we find the expected frequencies by using their totals and it's then divided by its grand totals which is called expected frequency, or then students taking sum over all cells. This is called summation. तो इस तरह से हम लोग chi square की वैल्यू को कैलकुलेट करेंगे फॉर द R by C contingency table के अंदर, और देन स्टूडेंट्स हम लोग फाइंड वेदर चेक करेंगे वेदर एट्रीब्यूट्स आर इंडिपेंडेंट और नॉट. Now I will discuss the topic rank correlation. Ranking means arranging data in a specific order. Usually we rank the data in ascending order, smallest to largest observations, or descending order, largest to smallest one. Now students, for example, we have the marks of the students or heights of the individuals. So we rank the data according to its magnitude. Each item is then assigned a rank: first, second, third, and fourth, etc. based on its position. This is called ranking. Rank correlation means describes the relationship between two sets of rankings, that is, between the rankings of the one variable and the rankings of the other variable. First students, आपके पास जो भी variables का data given होगा उसको आप लोग rank करेंगे, और then फिर हम लोग find करेंगे correlation between the ranked data. It show how similar or different two rankings are. This is the definition of the rank correlation. Now the next one is the Spearman rank correlation coefficient. Spearman rank correlation coefficient is a statistical measure used to determine the degree and directions of association between two ranked variables. It measures how closely the ranks of two variables corresponding to each other. Now students, Spearman rank correlation coefficient is explained the relationship between two ranked variables, and it is denoted by RS, and its formula is 1 minus 6 summation d square over n into n square minus 1, and the value of RS is lies between minus 1 and 1, and here d is the difference between two ranks, and n is the total number of observations. Or if the value of RS equal to plus 1, it is perfect positive correlations, means same ranking. और अगर आपके पास ranking directions जो है वो same है, then it gives perfect positive relationship. Or if the value of RS is -1, perfect negative correlation, it means opposite ranking. Or if the value of RS equal to 0, this means that no correlation. This is the formula and concept of the Spearman rank correlation coefficient for the ranked data. Now the last topic is the properties of the Spearman rank correlation coefficient. First property of the Spearman rank correlation coefficient is range of the coefficients. The value of Spearman rank correlation coefficients lies between -1 to +1. Second property is based on ranks. It is calculated from the ranks of the observations rather than their actual numerical values. Third property is equal ranks give positive correlation. If two sets of ranks are exactly the same, the coefficient becomes RS equal to +1. R की वैल्यू 1 जनरेट होगी, exact 1, if two sets of rank are exactly same. Fourth property is reverse ranks gives negative correlation. If one set of ranks is the completely reverse of the other, then RS equal to -1. And fifth property is suitable for qualitative data. It can be used when characteristics are expressed in ranks, grades, or preference. Sixth property is unaffected by change of origin and scale. Changing units or adding constants to data does not affect the coefficient because ranks remains the same. Seventh property is non-parametric measure. It does not require assumptions about the normal distribution of data. Eighth property, simple to compute. The method is easier and shorter than many other correlation methods when data are ranked. Our ninth property is measures monotonic relationship. It measures the degree of association between two variables when the relationship is increasing or decreasing consistently. So students, these are the properties of the Spearman rank correlation coefficient. Here students, in this lecture some important terms, definitions or properties of the chapter 15 association of attributes are explained. इंशाल्लाह स्टूडेंट्स नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में आपसे मुलाकात होगी नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ। अपना ख्याल रखें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, अपना फीडबैक ज़रूर दें। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अल्लाह हाफिज़, थैंक यू।